with the lifetime reopening that is available in Nevada, there are certain requirements that you have to satisfy. And if you've had claim closure and it's been over 12 months, 12 months and a day would be sufficient. What you have to show in order to get an insurance company to reopen your claim is, first, a change in circumstances warranting a increase in compensation. And that can be both money compensation in terms of the change of circumstances that is required, or more medical treatment. The other thing you have to show is that the primary cause of the change is in fact the industrial injury and not anything that came after the industrial injury or was pre-existing to the industrial injury. And finally, the request for reopening must include not only the injured worker / claimant's written request, but a written report from a physician or chiropractor who substantiates the change of circumstances and states that the primary cause of the change is in fact the industrial injury. You can imagine, and it is true, that much litigation then ensues as a result of what is the primary cause and what exactly does primary cause mean. It's not defined in the statute, and so doctors have a difficult time dealing with that phrase in conjunction with assisting injured workers in attempting to get their claims reopened. If in fact an insurer looks at a reasonable request for reopening, sees that a doctor has stated that the primary cause of a change of circumstances is in fact the industrial injury, the insurance company, rather than immediately reopening, can in fact initiate a medical investigation regarding the problem and determine whether, based upon their investigation, reopening is necessary. Again, based upon these requirements and statutes, there's going to be much litigation regarding whether or not an injured worker satisfies the primary cause language, has a sufficient medical report substantiating that primary cause and the change of circumstances, and in fact the injured worker has had the claim closed for more than a year. In following blogs, I will discuss other aspects of reopening.